Happy Monday, guys! So, this week in guided reading, we are going to do a biography. The biography that I chose is Thomas Edison. Now, I think it'll be fun learning about him and all the things he's invented. Who knows? It might make you want to become an inventor and make something while we're on this break. Okay, so let's go over the vocabulary words. So, on Raz Kids, at the back of the book, they give you a glossary. I like the glossary because it helps you get an idea of what the words mean. And then when you're looking at the words inside the passage or the text, you already know. Okay, so let's look with apprenticeship. It is a noun. It's a period of training during which a person learns a skill or trade from a professional. So apprenticeship. Discouraged is an adjective. And it's not feeling courageous, confident, or enthusiastic. Filament is a thread or thread-like object that conducts electricity. For-profit is an adjective, and it is set up or done to make money. We know what invented means. Investors is a noun, and it is people who support you with money or encouragement. It's usually investors. They're supporting you with money. Manufacture is a verb. It means to make finished goods or products from raw materials. Patent is a noun. It is a document granting the right to make money for an invention. Peephole is a noun. It's a small hole through which a person looks through. Okay, we have them on our doors. You think about it, we have it in our classroom. Sketched, made a rough drawing or outline. And we know what technology is. So let's go back to the beginning. Okay, so at the beginning, here's your page. And our focus question is, what traits describe Thomas Edison and how do they affect his actions? So that is our focus for this story. That's what we're going to focus on, and that's the question we will be able to answer on Thursday. Okay, so as you notice, they include a photograph of Thomas Edison. Words to know. We went over these words. It gives you a table of contents, and it provides another photo of Thomas Edison on an invention that he created. So, this is a picture of Thomas Edison, so his middle name is Alva, in 1914. Okay, so there's a vocabulary word, invented, which is improved over 1,000 things. Okay, so something that you created that's going to help us. So think about it, guys. What would our world be like if we didn't have Thomas Edison? Okay, something to think about. Young Al. So it looks like this page is going to describe how he was when he was young. I saw where it mentioned he was 12. So it's kind of right around your age, guys. So think about the things he did when he was 12. Apprenticeship. Let's highlight it. Okay. So the child's grateful father, who was a telegraph operator, offered Al an apprenticeship. Okay, that means that Al was, and they called him Al, short for well, it's strange. They called him Al, short for Thomas. Or is Al his father? Something we'll have to find out. Okay, Edison, the inventor. So Edison decided that he wanted to become a full-time inventor. Some of his early inventions were improvements on the telegraph machine. So Edison's improved telegraph, so he made it better. Okay, he improved it. Edison's electric voting machine. So think about it, guys. How would your parents vote if it wasn't for him creating these inventions? Patent is basically a document saying that it is yours and no one can steal it. Discouraged means to not allow anyone to tell you you can't do something. So just because someone tells you no, it doesn't discourage you from wanting to succeed. Do you know the telegraph let people communicate before the invention of the telephone, It used a code of dots and dashes or short and long beeps to form letters. Interesting. We have more photographs of Thomas Edison's lab where he conducted all his inventions. We have Edison and his notebook where he would write down everything he thought of. And look at all that great detail, guys. That's really amazing. And in his notebook, he created models, which are sketches of what he was going to invent. So even as an elderly, he was still creating. Okay, we have the telephone. We have Thomas Edison, his family. Edison working on early versions of the phonograph. Sorry, guys, I had to pause. The baby was wanting her backpack on. She's pretending to go to school. So let's continue. Investors, people who give you money to help you create, because you need money in order to invent. Filament, it is a very thin line, okay? It's the part of the light bulb that glows. So it's a very thin film. It's not a line, it's film, and it's what helps the light bulb glow. Okay, let's keep going. Here's another. This is Nikola Tesla. So he looks like somebody important. He's probably going to play a part with Thomas Edison. Okay, peephole, like we said, you have a peephole through a camera. You have a peephole when you're looking through the door. You have a peephole, even on your toys, you could have a peephole, like a telescope. Okay, Thomas Edison in 1910. And then we're back at the glossary. Okay, so let's go to full screen. Now, behind me, you can see, let me move over. So behind me, you can see word ladders. So this week, we're going to continue with our word ladders. Okay, I know it's hard to see it. Don't worry, I'll include a picture. So for Monday, we're going to continue. So Monday, which is today, I have snell, knell, fell, tell. I know they rhyme, but what I did is I'm showing you how all I did was change a letter. Okay, so we're going to continue with word ladders this week. I'll put a little matching activity where you can work on that. For Tuesday, I would like for you to read pages 4 through 7. Okay, guys, happy Monday.